Morning students, we are already seeing about whole numbers. The second chapter what we are seeing is whole numbers. We have already seen properties of 0 and the properties of 0. Then the next topic we saw was a representation of whole numbers on a number line, how to represent the whole numbers on a number line. Now we are going to see about properties of whole numbers. We have already seen how to represent a whole number in a number line. Now we are going to see about properties of whole number. In properties of whole number, we have different properties which is listed out here. That is commutative property, associative property, closure property, distributive of multiplication over addition, additive identity, multiplicative identity. Now we will see about each property in detail. Now we will see about the commutative property and associative property of whole numbers. First we will see about the commutative property. For commutative property, let me see an example now. See, tell the number of adults at your home. For example, how many adults are there in your home? For example, I am saying 3. Now next one. Now count the number of children at your home. How many children are there in your home? You need to count. For example, I am saying 2. Okay students, now what you are going to do is, if you add all the members such as number of adults plus number of children, or in the other way number of children plus number of adults, both will sum up the same, that is the total number of family members. What they are saying is that what we did first, how many adults we were having 3, and how many children 2. So 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. Number of adults plus number of children பண்ணாலும் சரி, number of children plus number of adults பண்ணாலும் சரி, the answer will be the same. That is what they are saying. Okay students, if we add or multiply, see here, 3 into 2 பண்ணா what we will get? 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. If we இது A ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க, இது B ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியில் இது A ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க, இது பின்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? ஏ இன்ட்டு பி பண்ணாலும் சரி, பி இன்ட்டு ஏ பண்ணாலும் சரி, ஆன்சர் வில் பி தி சேம் ஆஸ் தட் ஆஃப் ஃபார் அடிஷன் ஆல்சோ. அடிஷனுக்கும் சேம் ஒன்லி 3 + 2. ஃபார் அடிஷன் ஆல்சோ இஃப் வி டூ 3 + 2 ஆல்சோ 5, or 2 + 3 is also 5. So what they are saying is that a plus b பண்ணாலும் சரி, b plus a பண்ணாலும் சரி, the answer will be the same. That is the result of this commutative property. Understood students? That's what they are saying. In addition, according to this property, two numbers can be added in any order. It can be added in any order. That is, we can do 3 + 2 or 2 + 3. We can do in any way. That is, we can do a plus b or b plus a. However we do, the answer will be the same. For example, if you say 5 + 2, what is 5 + 2? 7. If you do 2 + 5 also, the answer will be the same. It will be the same for the addition as well as for the multiplication. See, we will see the next one. See here, for multiplication also the answer will be the same. I have already shown the answer. If the order of the numbers can be changed when they are multiplied, and the answer will remain the same. What I have said. Now we will see another example also. 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. 2 into 5 is nothing but 10. So what I said, if we do a into b also, b into a also, the answer will be the same. This is what? Commutative law. So addition and multiplication obeys this commutative law. We will see whether subtraction and division obeys this law or not. What I am saying is, அடிஷனும் சப்ராக்ஷனும் இந்த லாவை ஒபே பண்ணுது கரெக்டாக. a plus b பண்ணாலும் சரி, b plus a பண்ணாலும் the answer will be the same. We will see for subtraction whether it is obeying or not. See here, see for subtraction. For subtraction, if I do 12, see here, 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, what is 12 minus 5? 7. If I do 5 minus 12, what will be the answer? 5 minus 12, 7. But this sign will be different because here the larger number is 12. So what I will put, for this sign will be minus. Understood students? So here we are getting +7, here we are getting -7. A minus b if we do, b minus a if we do, the answer will not be the same. Okay students, the answer will not be the same. So subtraction will not obey the commutative law. A minus B பண்ணாலும் சரி, B minus A பண்ணாலும் சரி, answer will not be the same. It is the example here. Okay வா? Greater number minus smaller number பண்ணாக்கா answer will be positive, whereas smaller number minus when we do greater number, answer will be negative if we have negative symbol for greater number. Then we will see for the division also. For division also it is not applicable because see here, now I am saying 24 divided by 4. What is 24 divided by 4? 6. So this is larger number, this is smaller number. 24 divided by 4 means in 4 table how many times 24 will come? 6 times. Now we will see smaller number divided by greater number. Will this be divisible? It will not be divisible. We will get in decimal. Okay students, so the answer will not be the same, but the number was the same, only the order has been changed. In first one 24 was in the first and 4 was in the second place, whereas here 4 is in the first place, 24 is in the second place. The order will be changed then, but the answer should be same. That is what commutative law. It is not obeyed in the both division and subtraction. Division liyo subtraction liyo it is not obeying, whereas it is obeying in the addition and subtraction. So addition liyo subtraction liyo commutative law is possible, whereas in subtraction and division it is not possible. Understood students? See here, see an example here students. We are multiplying 3 4 5 6 into 4 5 2. The answer is here. Now we are just interchanging the order. We are multiplying 4 5 2 into 3 4 5 6. The number is same, but the order is different. Here we are doing A into B, here they are doing B into A. That's all. Order மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு. நம்பர் வந்து சேம், whereas order மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு. ஆர்டர்னா என்ன? இப்போ 3 + 2 பண்ணுறேன், இங்கே வந்து 3 வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் பிளேஸில் இருக்குது, செகண்ட் பிளேஸில் இருக்குது. அப்படியே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம். சேஞ்ச் பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? 2 + 3 வரும். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? இந்த ஆர்டர் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாக்கா ரிசல்ட் ஷுட் பி சேம். ஹியர் யூ கேன் see in multiplication it is same result. Now we will see an example here. See here, I have already said for subtraction and division. 18 minus 6 is 12, whereas 6 minus 18 will be 12, but the sign will be minus. So the subtraction is not possible. The subtraction is not obeying commutative law. The same what I said, 24 by 4 and 4 by 24. Here we will get 6. Here it is not divisible. Here it is not divisible. We will get in the decimal. Understood students? Next one students, likewise in case of 3 quantities, we saw only A and B, only we saw 2 quantities, that is A and B. If we have 3 quantities, that is A, B as well as C, we group the numbers anyhow to ease the calculation, but this does not really matter when numbers are grouped together for addition or multiplication. The numbers remain the same, just as for 3 quantities says 18, 9, 21. If we consider what they are saying is, இப்போ நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் என்ன பார்த்தோம்? A Bன்னு மட்டும் தான் பார்த்தோம், ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸ் தானே பார்த்தோம். இப்போ சியும் சேர்ந்து பார்த்தாக்கா என்ன? மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனுக்கும் நார்மலி கம்யூட்டேட்டிவ்ல வந்து அடிஷனுக்கும் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனும் தான் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆச்சு. அதே மாதிரி இந்த மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனுக்கு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகுதான்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? CABC ரெண்டு 3 நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கா? இப்போ இது என்ன? இப்போ குரூப் பண்ணுறதுனா என்னென்னா, இப்போ 18 + 9யும் 21யும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு குரூப் பண்ணுறேன். அப்படி இல்லாட்டி இங்கே என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இங்கே பாருங்க, 18 + 9 குரூப் பண்ணலாம். எப்படி மாற்றி குரூப் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணாலும் சரி, மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் சொல்லி யூ வில் கெட் தி சேம் ஆன்சர். தட்ஸ் வாட் தே ஆர் சேயிங். ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, how many numbers if you have also, how many groups you have also, the addition will be the same and multiplication will be the same. The answer will be the same. Okay students? Understood? This justifies associative property of whole numbers, the above example. Okay students? See here for multiplication, we have 3 numbers in multiplication. We already saw for the addition, now we are seeing for the multiplication. That is 18 into, we are grouping 9 and 21, 9 into 21. So 18 into 189, that is equal to 3402. Now we are grouping here 18 and 9 we are grouping here 9 and 21, but the numbers are the same and the answer will be the same. That is, it satisfies multiplication and addition satisfies this commutative law. Associative property of addition, that is nothing but this property says it doesn't matter how the numbers are grouped when added, the answer will remain the same. However we group and add, the answer will be the same. That is nothing but we already saw about associative commutative property, that is grouping any numbers and adding and multiplying is nothing but associative property. We have already seen about commutative. Now we are seeing associative property. I have already explained a plus b plus c. If you group any one together, the answer will be the same, and we have seen for the multiplication also. So this property says that it doesn't matter how the numbers are grouped, when added the number will remain the same. However you group and add, the answer will be the same. Okay students, that is nothing but associative property of addition. Both in commutative and associative, addition and multiplication law will obey. Okay va, இந்த ரெண்டு commutative property ல associative property ல addition multiplication ரெண்டுமே work out ஆகும். Okay va, whereas subtraction division does not work out. Or associative property of multiplication. This property says that it doesn't matter how the numbers are grouped when multiplied. For example, from 3 given number, it doesn't matter which two numbers are multiplied first. Okay students, see here what they are saying is that if we have 3 numbers, 2 into 5 into 7, I am grouping these two. Okay va, first if you multiply 7 into 5 also okay, 2 into 5 also okay, the answer will be the same. Whereas in subtraction அப்படி பண்ண முடியுமா? இப்போ 12 minus 5 பண்ணுறேன், 12 minus 5 கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா நீங்கள் 5 minus 12 பண்ண முடியுமா? No, you cannot do that. So why you will not get the same answer. Whereas in division you see 24 divided by 4 கொடுக்கும்போது நீங்கள் 4 divided by 24 பண்ண முடியுமா? You cannot do because it is not divisible. ஆனால் whereas multiplication and division, the numbers எப்படி வேணாலும் add பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? see 2 into 5 into 10, 5 into 10 ஃபஸ்ட்டு பண்ணலாம், அப்படி இல்லாட்டி 2 into 5 ஃபஸ்ட்டு பண்ணலாம். எப்படி பண்ணாலும் the answer will be the same as that of ப்ளஸில் பண்ணுங்கள். 5 plus 10 பண்ணாலும் சரி, ஃபஸ்ட்டு இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் பண்ணாலும் சரி, 2 plus 5 ஃபஸ்ட்டு பண்ணாலும் சரி, the answer will be the same for multiplication and addition. That is what they are saying in this property. Now find out the answer for this. Choose the correct option. 6 into 45 into 15, that is equal to 6 into 45 into 15. Here they are grouping 45 and 15. In the next they are grouping 6 and 45. Whatever we do, the answer will be the same. So only they have given equal to sign. Which property it satisfies? Commutative property or associative property of multiplication. We have 3 numbers, so 3 numbers means that is associative property. Here we have multiplication symbol, so the answer is associative property of multiplication. Okay students, now we will see for the B. Dash is an example of the associative property of addition. Which is the example of associative property? Associative property means I have already said 3 numbers. It should have three numbers A, B and C. Property of addition means we should have addition symbol. So in associative property we need to group the numbers. எப்படி group பண்ணாலும் the answer will be the same. இங்கே எங்கே group பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்கள், group பண்ணியிருக்கணும் as well as addition should be there. See here, second one is the correct answer. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C எல்லாமே அடிஷனாக இருக்கா, ஆனால் grouping மட்டும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, பியும் சியும் group பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, இங்கே ஏவும் பியும் group பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So the answer is second one. Why not the first one? ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன்னில் பாருங்கள் A plus B plus C, ஆனால் whereas இந்த LHSல என்ன இருக்குது, AB plus AC, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்ம பார்க்கவே இல்லை. தேர்ட் ஒன் C, A plus B plus C, that is equal to B. எதுவுமே போடலான்னா என்ன இருக்கும், அது halfனா into B into A plus B. This property also we have not seen, so the answer is second one. Now we will try to solve the practice zone 3, page number 27 in your book. See the first one. First question is to represent the number line, multiply 6 into 6 and 2. So 6 and 2 means 6 into 2 means 2 times 6. See the first one, 2 times we need to multiply into, so 6 plus 6. What is the answer? 12. 6 into 2 பண்ணாலும் ஒரே ஆன்சர் தான், 2 into 6 பண்ணாலும் ஒரே ஆன்சர் தான். That is the example here in the first one. See the next one. Next one they have said 12 plus add 12 and 3. Addition 12 plus 3 பண்ணாலும் ஒரே ஆன்சர் தான், 3 plus 12 பண்ணாலும் ஒரே ஆன்சர் தான். They have did this only. See the number line. They are representing 12 and from that they are adding 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 15. அப்படி பண்ணாலும் கரெக்ட் தான். whereas 3 and 12 பண்ணால், இப்போ 3 ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணி 3லேருந்து ப்ளஸ் 12 பண்ணுங்கள். 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 15. எப்படி பண்ணாலும் சேம் தான். Okay students, what are the laws does the commutative law obey? என்னென்ன operations obey பண்ணும்? Addition and multiplication. Which it does not obey? Addition, division and subtraction. Try to solve the practice zone 4 and just put it in the Google Classroom. Thank you students. We will see about the next properties in the next video. See students, I will give you one example alone in this practice zone 4. Try to solve the other one. See this fill in the blanks. We have A, B, C, 3 numbers. So here we have only 2 numbers. So what is the remaining number we have to do here? 14 is there, 16 is there. What is not there? So 12. They are grouping 12 and 14. Here they are grouping 14 into 16. Whether this is the fill in the blanks. Only one I have solved. See the solve the others also and state whether the following expressions are true or false. See here, 25 plus 7 panalum seri, 7 plus 25 panalum, answer will be the same, true. So check for the others also, for division and subtraction also. See here in fill in the blanks using the appropriate sign. What I have said for commutative and associative law, only addition and multiplication will obey, whereas subtraction and division will not obey. See whether it is equal or not equal. Here not equal because division that does not follow this rule. Okay students, understood? Try to solve the other one also. Thank you students.